Hello, my name is Mr. McNett, and I have the privilege of being your child's math teacher this school year. A little bit about myself. I'm a retired naval officer. I retired in 1996. I then attended the University of Washington, earning my teaching certificate, and in August of 1997, started working at Jackson Park Elementary School, working with 5th and 6th grade students. I did that for 7 years, and during that time, I earned a master's degree in educational leadership and became the assistant principal at Clear Creek Elementary School and then the principal at Belfair Elementary School. I realized I enjoyed working in the classroom much more than being a principal, so I started working at Cougar Valley Elementary School, working with 5th and 6th grade students. I did that for 7 years, and I had the opportunity to transfer here to Central Kitsap Middle School, where I've been teaching math to 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students. Your child is assigned to my 2nd and 4th period math course 1 class. It is a basic 6th grade math curriculum. I have passed out my course syllabus. Please ask your child to show it to you. In that syllabus, it explains all of the different concepts that we will be covering this school year. It has information for you parents to fill out, a parent information sheet. It allows you an opportunity to share with me some information you want me to know about your child so I can help them be successful this school year. There's also a remind instruction sheet in there. A remind is a text message that I would send out after each day. It's a short text message that you can sign up for, and it will share with you the homework assignment that I've given your child for that evening, as well as upcoming quizzes and test dates and other information that you need to be aware of. We are using the Pearson Remind Math course curriculum. There's a workbook that your child will be working in during the school day, and the homework will be coming out of the online portion of the Pearson Realize curriculum. Homework will be small, no more than 10 math questions. As your child is working through the homework, if they have questions and concerns, there's videos online that they can watch that cover those concepts that we covered in class. They're no more than 3 to 5 minutes long. At least one video lesson is there, sometimes 2 and 3 video lessons that cover those concepts. There will be homework almost every night, and my remind text will share with you those homework assignments and what they are. One last thing, I want you to know that you are welcome in this classroom at any time. This is your classroom too. If you have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or the entire class period, 55 minutes, you're welcome to come into the classroom and observe what's going on in the room. Please just check in at the office first, let them make sure that they know that you're in the classroom, and then come on down. You're welcome. Thank you very much, and I will enjoy working with your child this school year to make it a successful one. Bye-bye.